Well, boys, it is special delivery for the Del Sol. We are working on the Del Sol today, guys. Nothing too big or crazy, but the Honda's broken. Before you guys get all worried, it's not broken in the way that you think. So I pretty much told you guys how we have to fix up a few tiny things in the car, and one of that being is the whole air system here. Yeah, our heating ventilation does not work, as you can tell, on any. Not on 1, on 2, 3, 4. None of them work, and that means we have no heat in the car. So when I do drive this thing, and like when it's a little bit colder out, I am freezing inside this car. Not only that, it also fogs up on the windshield, the windows, and then it gets, you know, pretty dangerous to see. Today we're actually gonna fix all of that. We're gonna get our heating working back in this car because it is hell needed. But first of all, I know it's not the fuse that's bad because I changed all the fuses in this car, so I know it's not the fuses that are bad. But in here we have, I'm pretty sure it's called the resistor for the you know, the whole blower motor system or whatever. But yeah, this is the resistor. We're gonna change the old resistor because I'm pretty sure that's never been changed since the car was made from factory. We're gonna go ahead and also change the blower motor itself. So as you can see right here, we got our brand new blower motor. Now don't get me wrong, I don't know if this is 100% gonna fix the issue. Who knows, it might be a whole nother issue. It might be the heater hoses, maybe the heater core itself, I don't know. But I'm starting with these first since, you know, these seem to be the most common things. And with this video, I want to make it pretty like raw and bare bones. And what I mean by that is not really doing too much editing, you know, throwing music in, doing the install, whatever. I want to make this as like raw and more authentic type of deal. So if you guys like this style of video, let me know in the comments down below and maybe I'll do it more. Let me just unlock this side over here. But anyway, the greatest thing about the Del Sol, or just these older Civics in general, is that it's super easy to replace. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna actually push in this part of the glove box and push in that side of the glove box, and then this should just go ahead and drop down, and we should be able to access the resistor from there. Also, if we're looking for the blower motor, it's right under the glove box itself, and there it is right there. So we can just loosen that out and take it out and replace it with a new one. But let's start with the resistor first, so let's do that. So like this here, let that down, go over to the other side, pull it in. Might need to put the camera down for this. Let's see. There we go. Oh, so I kind of broke this side right here, but it's all good as long as one side's working. That's fine. There's a little piece of it out like that, but all good. Damn, you can tell in here has not been like cleaned in forever. But anyway, as the glove box is down, once you get that down, you have your resistor literally right there. That is your resistor, a little black plate right there with the little thing connected to it. So you're gonna remove that, and then we're gonna use 2 little Phillips screws heads, I think, and take these 2 screws out, and it should just come right out of there. All right, so we're gonna go ahead, take this guy out. There we go, plugged out. Move him out the way. I just gotta take out those 2 screws. Side note, these little lights come in clutch. You can like stick them. They're like magnetic. You can get magnetic ones, or like a little like thing with like 3M tape with them. And you just stick them against anything, and you have quick access to see in these like little nooks and crannies and dark places. So definitely get one of these from like your local parts store or whatever. So there we go. Here's 1 screw coming out. Oh my goodness, it's such a tight space in here. If you have that little stubby screwdriver, definitely use that. I just makeshift my own like little stubby like this and it worked. It's kind of super hard to see, but I am taking out, there it is, right about there. You can't really see it, but there we go. So now this dirty thing can just literally, by the way, you don't have to remember which way it goes in. There's only one way, literally this way. This like more pointier side goes on this side, the rectangle part on this side, and that just goes right into place. So now we just take our new resistor, and we just put them right up in here. Just like that, right down in there. And I should just slip on in there, just like that. Now we just screw it back down, and it should be good to go. And this is just righty-tighty, so we don't have to do too much. Literally just up until it's nice and snug, and we should be good. Don't have to do too much. Alright, cool. We got this thing back on, and this should go one way only, which is this way. This part like that. It just clicks right in there, right? Boom. Just like that. Alright, so now we're under the glove box here, and there's our blower motor. So we just gotta unplug that and then take out those three screws, which is this one, and this one back behind it. And this thing should just drop down. I should be able to replace this thing. At least I think so, right? There we go. Taking out number one. All this dang rusty dang screws and bolts. Gotta love 90s cars, right? Alright, I think we got this guy. There we go. There's one. Such a tight space and super hard to record from here, but this is number two that I'm taking out right here. There we go. Since all these screw heads are like blown out, had to use a little wrench, and I'm using a ratchet to get out the last one because the dang screwdrivers and flatheads are not working. So gotta improvise, and right now this ratchet is doing the job. And here we go, the last one. I think we're good here. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And come on. There we go. Third one out. Now this thing should just be able to just... Oh my god, this is going to be bad. This is going to be nasty. Oh my god. Alright guys, and just like that, it is out. Alright, check this out. So here's the old blower motor, guys. This thing is definitely a lot stiff. It doesn't flow free. And here's the new one. Look at that. With ease, it just spins. This, you have to actually put in work just to turn this. So it's a good thing we changed actually both the resistor and the blower motor. We could throw this in. Definitely recommend doing this because holy hell, look at all the just the dirt and stuff that came out of there, man. It was ridiculous how much I cleared out. I'm gonna vacuum this out real quick, and then we'll continue throwing in that blower motor. I just need to clean this up. Guys, fast forward, finished cleaning out this area. Now it's all nice and clean. So now we can actually go ahead and throw this blower motor, this new one, up inside it. All right, there we go. We put this plug right back in right there. So now it's just to spin this thing around into its correct spot, which is like right there. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the screws in to where they need to be, and I think we're good. All I have to do is just lock everything back in, and I should be good to go here. The last bit of it right here, and boom, just like that, we are done, guys. We got the new blower motor installed, we got the new resistor installed, you got everything buttoned down. So now all that's left is to test this thing out. Got the battery cables back on. All right, so fingers crossed this actually works. Hopefully it does. Hopefully. All right, let's see if this thing actually does work. So looks like it still doesn't really work, but on the plus side, you can hear it actually switching, but we still have absolutely no heat on any of the levels, guys. So I'm not too sure what else it could possibly be. Maybe the heater core itself, but yeah. And guys, it seems like this was pretty much a bust. It did not fix the issue of no heat or ventilation happening inside the car So if you guys have any suggestions, please be sure to drop them in the comments down below. Let me know what else you guys think I should change, or maybe I should just double check. Probably off camera too, I'll probably double check everything, see if I actually buttoned everything down properly or if I missed anything or something like that. But for the most part, that's all we're getting is just that little noise. So I don't know. Usually that is the cause of the car whole heating thing not working and stuff like that. But I don't know, guys. You guys can let me know in the comments what you guys think. But however, I am glad that I changed that anyway, because it was absolutely dirty and it needs to be changed anyway. Wow, that light is bright. I'm thinking maybe the heater core next or something like that. Maybe the heater hoses. I'm gonna check, like I said off camera, I'm probably gonna check after this video and see like what else I'm possibly missing or I need to replace next. But I'm down and open for some suggestions. However, I'm still gonna go ahead and post this video just to let you guys know and let you guys see that not everything always goes exactly as planned. Just because, you know, we do an install or whatever doesn't mean that thing is always gonna just completely solve it. Sometimes you gotta get it wrong, try again, and go through it. But this video is an explanation of that, or pretty much an example of that. I don't know, you can hear it from under there, but still not spinning. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video here. If you guys did enjoy just a little short, little chill vibe, just working on the Del Sol, just a little small little upgrade or whatever. Even though it didn't figure out the problem and solve the problem, at least we changed two things that we don't have to change, you know, for the rest of the ownership of this car, basically. But yeah, I'm gonna keep looking around. I'm gonna end off this video, keep looking around, see if I can figure it out or not. I'll keep you guys updated. If anything, I'll make another video with an update on this if I figure it out. If I don't figure it out, then I'll keep fiddling around with it until I figure, you know, out the issue. But until then, guys, like I said, leave some suggestions down in the comments down below. Let me know what you guys think the issue is, and I'll be reading all the comments. So definitely let me know, because I'll be looking. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. If you guys did enjoy this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let me know if you guys like this more like raw editing without any music type of thing, or not that much music type of thing. And yeah, I'll see what I can do. Well, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, stay humble, stay blessed, peace.